Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar. Today I am going to speak very special topics for LLB students. These topics are very important for your examination points. They may ask questions on these topics. It is very important. Many of them has requested to do this video on these topics. So that is the reason on the request basis today I am going to make video on these topics. The topics are cognizable offense and non-cognizable offense, compoundable and non-compoundable offense, bailable and non-bailable offense. I will start with cognizable and non-cognizable offense. What do you mean by cognizable offense? Cognizable offense means the offense a police officer can arrest without a warrant. Without a warrant, can arrested any of person, aggrieved person who have done crime. So this is called cognizable offense. We can give example for cognizable offense like kidnapping, rape, etc. Very serious crime they have to done. A police officer can arrest without a warrant. Without a warrant, can police officer can arrest. This is called cognizable offense. Non-cognizable offense. What is you mean by non-cognizable offense? Non-cognizable offense means a police officer cannot arrest any of aggrieved person without a warrant. Warrant is mandatory to get arrest of any person. It is called non-cognizable offense. Non-cognizable offense means we can give example like forgery, criminal trespass, any kind of small crimes like defamation. We can give many examples. Due to some time constraint, I am not able to give full deep explanations. So this is understandable. Anybody can understand. Non-cognizable means with the warrant, a police officer can arrest. This is called non-cognizable offense. So simple crimes like defamation, any kind of small thefts, they cannot be arrested. With the warrant, a police officer can arrest. This is called non-cognizable offense. The second topic is compoundable and non-compoundable offense. What is the compoundable offense? Compoundable offense means any people means any kind of persons they can mutually understand, they can withdraw the cases. This is called compoundable offense. Some of the cases the court intervention is required, some of the cases without court also they can able to mutually agree with them and withdraw the cases. We can give example compoundable cases means we can give example for defamation, we can give example for criminal trespass. They can be mutually understand with them among, they can withdraw the cases. This is called compoundable offense. Non-compoundable offense, they cannot mutually agree between, they cannot mutually understand each other. This is called non-compoundable offenses. The court will not agree to mutually agreed and withdraw the cases. We can give example for non-compoundable offenses like murder, rape, kidnapping, criminal trespass. We can give many examples for this. This is called compoundable offense. Non-compoundable offense is they cannot understand each other, they cannot mutual with each other, even court intervention also required. This is called non-compoundable offenses. Then third topic is bailable and non-bailable offense. What do you mean by bailable offense? Bailable offense means anybody can take very easily bail. We can give example like any kind of bribery they were taken, any kind of like rioting with deadly weapon. Those small cases can be withdrawn from the court. This is called bailable offenses. As well, they can take easily bails. Non-bailable offenses means they cannot take bail. We can give examples like kidnapping, rape, murder. These examples will comes for non-bailable offense. So once again, I will brief all three topics. Cognizable offense means with a police officer can arrest without a warrant. Non-cognizable offense means a police officer can arrest only with the warrant. Then second topic is compoundable and non-compoundable offenses. Any aggrieved persons, they can withdraw the cases by mutual understanding with the intervention of court, and without intervention of courts the cases will be differs. This is called compoundable offenses. Non-compoundable offenses means they cannot mutually agree with, they cannot withdraw the cases. Even court intervention is also required. Like we can give example, non-cognizable offenses means like murder, rape, kidnapping, so on so etc. Then third topic is bailable and non-bailable offenses. Bailable offenses means they can take bail on those cases, like they can take bail for small crimes like theft, like rioting with deadly weapons. They can take bails, but they cannot take bails for the major crimes like kidnapping, murder, rape. For these cases, bail won't get from the court. This is called non-bailable offenses. So I hope these three concepts have been understood. For more details, you can go through textbooks. For any clarification, you may text in the YouTube comments so I can able to explain, or else you can directly contact to me with my number. Anyhow, I have already published my mobile number. I can able to explain for these topics. In next video, I will give new topics, so that I request all of them to subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that I can give best of best videos for LLB and motivation. So please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.